In this video, we're making these healthy but very delicious chocolate chip muffins. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and let's get started. First, you're going to add your whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a bowl and mix them very well. Then add about a tablespoon of this mixture to the dark chocolate chips and coat them well. This is just to prevent them from sinking to the bottom. Then in another bowl, you're going to take the jaggery powder, milk, oil, water, and vanilla extract. And then you're going to mix this well. And then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix just till they're combined. And lastly, mix in the chocolate chips. Then you're going to scoop this batter into your muffin liners just till they're about 3/4 full and top them with some more dark chocolate chips. This is optional. And then you're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make sure not to over bake them. Here you can see a toothpick inserted has come out clean. And you can let these cool completely on a wire rack. You can also honestly dig in warm, which I really love doing. And here is me trying out one of the muffins. I did have it a little bit warm and it was so decadent and delicious. These honestly feel sinfully delicious. The dark chocolate chips just melt in your mouth and it does not feel like a healthy muffin, trust me. Of course, like anything, you should eat them in moderation, but if you want something that's filling yet delicious, you should definitely give these a try. You can see the gooey chocolate in every bite. I really do hope you give these a try. Subscribe for new recipes and hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon. Bye!